Namaskar students, see IT 402. In this video, I will explain and show you the solution of study material questions which is given under Golsik and Solver. The page number is 18 in the study material. So first question I will pick today in this video and I will explain how to do this using Golsik and Solver. So both options we will try for this question. So let me read the question. A student is planning her goals about the marks she should attain in the forthcoming semester 4 examination in order to achieve a distinction 75%. Assuming that examination of each subject is of for 100 marks, her marks of the previous semesters are given as under. So 3 semester marks are given here in 4 subjects. So what we have to do is, first we have to calculate the average of each subject semester wise. Then we will calculate the distinction, because they have given find out how many marks should she obtain in 4th semester to secure distinction. So how many marks? So that how many total marks she should score for achieving the distinction. So here I am considering distinction means 75%. So that percentage we have to calculate first. So let me copy this data first of all. So I have just done copy. Now open Office Calc. So here Calc is available. Let me paste. So now the data is available. First thing we will do is calculating the percentage. So percentage will come by average because all marks are out of 100 only. So that's why we will calculate average directly. So first calculate the average for this data. So first average we have 72.25 and here overall percentage we should calculate. So when you are entering a value in Excel, then only it will perform the calculation. So if we leave this cell blank, then what happens? See, average, it will calculate average for 3 values only, whether you are providing 4 or 5, but if cell is empty, then it will not calculate this one. So what we have to do here, you have to enter 0. So then only you may know that how many marks are required to achieve distinction. So first of all we will try to achieve distinction through Golsik. So Golsik, here our assumed percentage or what is our desire for semester 4, that is 75 for distinction. So let me try. I will try to show you everything with Solver also, but in Solver there are many confusions which I have too, because Solver is showing the exact value whatever we are entering and showing some unpredictable result. So that I will show you what it will display and how it is calculating that. Till I am not understanding it how it is calculating. So that is different matter, but it is showing some values. In Liber Calc it is showing some different values, and here in OpenOffice Calc it is showing some different values. So they have own calculation mechanism, I think. That's why it is showing like that. So let me start this one. So first of all click on Tools and Golsik. By Golsik you can achieve it easily. Target value. So target value is 75 and variable cell. Here variable cell is this. Click on OK. So here it is showing Golsik successful. Insert result 67 in current cell. So that means the student has to perform well to score 67 marks in semester 4. Now let me calculate for each and every cell. That also you can do in the same manner. First calculate equal to average, then all cell values, press enter, enter 0 here. Let me apply border first. Okay, center alignment also. Now here it is coming 64.75. So similar way, go to Tools and go Golsik. Now here target value, that is 75, variable cell, this one, okay. So here it is showing the exact value, which value is required to achieve 75% in subject 1. Similarly, we can find out for all subjects separately. See here 0, 0, 0. First enter 0. Now the same steps, tools, goal seek, target value that will be 75, variable cell will be this one. Okay. So here 70 is required. Similar way, goal seek, 75, variable. Okay, 80 marks are required. Here tools, goal seek. Now here 75, variable cell, this one, 77. So like this, if marks are like this, then only it will score display 67%. So likely you can perform individual values. Now in individual value you will get the clear idea about that, about goal and target. But in solver sometimes it is not showing the exact result. So let me try how it is displaying that results. So first of all I am just copying this value and pasting here. What is the result of goal seek? So I have pasted here. Now let me do it 0. And here formula should be there. Average, then formula of this. Okay. So now I have entered formula. So I just place my cursor in this cell. Click on tools and solver. Now in this solver, value of this cell, which is 0 right now, it should be 67. Here target cell, and now we know what value required there for distinction, that is 67 by changing cell from here to here. Now in condition first in B2 I want to score greater than 35, so that should be coming under passing criteria. So first greater than 35, or you know that my target is like this, greater than 60 in subject 1. So that also you can type, there is no issue. So I am doing like that. In C, this subject is there. Now I want to score, I know that in this subject I will score greater than 75. Then subject 3, here also I know that I will score more than 55. And D, this one, subject 4, that also I know that it should be greater than 60. Now see, when I will click on solver, it will display values like this. Solver, see, whatever values we provided, accordingly it has provided the result. But what it has done, see, here it has picked up the value 75, whatever we have entered here in our dialog box, 75, 55 and 60. Three values, it has taken the upper limit, and here it is showing something which is calculated by solver. So it will just calculating only single value. If I am entering less than here, then it will calculate this subject 4. So let me show you that also, how it is calculating. Again the same thing I have done, less than. Now in this I know that I will score less than 85. Now C, less than 75. Now D, less than 80 suppose. And last one, less than 60. Now see, suppose these values are there with me, then what happens with less than? So here you can see, as I told you, in first 3 cells it is taking the value whatever you have provided here, 85, 75, 80. And in last cell it is showing the value according to the calculation. So that 28 marks are required, but it should not be there. So there also you can provide like this. Solver it can solve, but what? It must be greater than 35 to qualify or clear the exam. So like this, now you see what happens. See, it has taken the limit, whatever limit we have provided. Now it has changed the value in cell D3. See here I have provided less than equal to 60, less than equal to 80. So see D5. So it is showing 73. So like this you can perform the solver and you can solve the values. Now let me change one more in C5. Now last first value is less than. Now I want to use greater than. In C5, it should be greater than equal to 50 only. First, let me check what value it is showing. Okay, 85. But I don't want 85 marks there. In first cell, 85 should not be there. So less than, here we will try. Okay, that less than option is not coming here. Okay, operator equal to. Okay, it should be equal to. Then what happens? Equal to 70. Okay, see, it's showing equal to 70 and change the value accordingly. So it is calculating in this manner. So I hope you understand how it is calculating. One more time, I will do the same thing. 85, less than 85, but at same time it should not 80. It should not 85 like that. B5 equal to. Then, okay, greater than. Let me try. Greater than equal to 85. Solve. See, till it is showing 85 value because it is calculating by these values also. So when you are using greater than, it is calculating the first value as per their criteria. And second, when we are using less than, it is showing like this. So likely you can check all other options. I have checked in this manner. So I hope you understood how to use solver. So let me keep this result in this worksheet, and here you will get the exact values, what values should be required. So I hope better thing is there, you use goal-seek only. So in goal-seek it will display the individual value. In solver what it is doing, it is calculating values for all and keeping mind some values, and then it is showing the results. So there you are not getting the exact result, or we can say you are not getting the cumulative result, what result should be there for each subject. So accordingly you can perform the task. So I hope you understood this concept. In next video I will cover question number 2 from the same page number 18. Till then, keep watching, keep learning. Thank you very much for watching the video.